Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumor, release date, expected price, and new features. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comments section. Now the rumored Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to launch in August 2024. Setting a price tag for this hypothetical low-cost Z Fold would be a challenge since Samsung already offers the Galaxy Z Flip 5 for $1,000, albeit in a different form factor. So there are lots of permutations that Samsung will have to figure out to get it right, and we hope to hear more on this front imminently. A rumor has it that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will come with entry-level variant will surface. According to a report by South Korean publication The Elec, spotted by 9 to 5 Google, Samsung is working on an entry-level variant of its upcoming foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. As per the report, an entry-level Galaxy Z Fold 6 will help Samsung to increase the penetration rate of the foldable phone market, especially as more foldables come out of China. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 camera. What to expect? When it comes to the camera system of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, we do have some leaks and rumors going around. Famous tipsters and industry insiders, such as Ice Universe, have shared a disappointing prediction about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 camera. The sources claim that it will be the same system as the one found in the predecessors, the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 4. Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumored camera specs: 50MP primary sensor with f/1.8 aperture and OIS. 10MP secondary telephoto lens with f/2.4 aperture, OIS, and 3x optical zoom. 12MP ultra-wide-angle with f/2.2 aperture. Galaxy Z Fold 6 storage. What to expect? The Galaxy Z Fold 6 storage situation should remain more or less the same compared to the predecessor. We expect 12/256 of a gigabyte as a base configuration and a top variant with 1 terabyte of storage. At this point, there's no information on a 16 GB RAM model, but this might change, as Samsung is one of the biggest memory chip manufacturers, and this would be a very easy upgrade to include. As usual, there's no microSD card slot expected on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, even though mid-range models such as the A54 still sport one. Galaxy Z Fold 6 design. The Fold 6 is anticipated to be lighter than its predecessor, the Fold 5. Another big change is expected in the design department. The Fold 6 might experience a redesign. The phone is expected to feature a different aspect ratio compared to the Fold 5, and indications suggest it may be wider. Some reports suggest there might be a built-in slot for the S Pen attached on the back, similar to the one in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 S Pen cases, but the information is based on patents, which is always pretty uncertain and far-fetched. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.